being silly. Yeah.
It's not going to stay away from the dog.
Can I watch it? Can I watch that?
Hey everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day. I don't even know what day it is, 21. So I got an email last night that said DSW is giving away a free $15 gift card to the first 50 people. I wasn't sure, Miss Charlotte's being cranky. I wasn't sure if we were going to make it in time, but we did, and I got my gift card. I had a coupon that I remembered that I had for a 10 off a $25 purchase, and then I also got an email for 25% off. Hold on, you guys. I got an email for 25% off coupon. And I asked them if I could combine them, and she said yes. So I got... Okay, you guys, so Charlotte would not stop crying, and I lost my train of thought, so I had to drive, and now we're at Chick-fil-A. But I had the 10 off 25 at a 25% off coupon, and then I had a $15 gift card that we're giving away for free. So I bought the same pair of shoes that I was wearing, and so they were $50 shoes. You guys, I only had to pay $14 out of pocket for them. I think that was a great deal, because I didn't think I could combine both coupons, and like one time they said I couldn't, but this time they said I could. So I paid $14 for those shoes, and then I just gave them my old shoes, and I got 50 points for my old shoes. So that is an awesome deal. Benjamin's playing right now, otherwise I'd bring you guys in there, but there's a bunch of people in there. Charlotte's just chilling. You just chilling? Yeah. So we're just letting Graham just relax at home while I take the kids, and we're gonna go to the mall next.
I got 2 ones.
You got 2?
Again.
Only one is bulging on there. The reason for it.
Oh, that's what's in there. What's that?
What? It's a princess. It's your first doll.
Wow, that's not even easy. Open this one.
I think it is.
What do you think? Hot or 10? Davison 3. Davison fast. He said he hurt his ankle or knee or something. Whoa!
Oh man.
I had this for
Now you got more.
I know.
Yeah, more of them.
More so you can make bigger buildings.
But I'm not feeling it right now. These times I help me open it.
Okay, we can help. Those are so
What do you say?
Hey Benjamin, can you make me another cookie?
Which one?
Benjamin?
Another different pants?
Let's do another one of those.
Alright,
make me another
Which one do you
cookie.
want to do? Should we do a cat? Ben? Tree?
Clear.
No more. No more. Don't tip it anymore.
Hey, watch out. You gotta save those for next time. Ooh, this guy just lost his
Charlotte's
head. I guess we don't want to do that.
I can go get it.
Want to do one of these? Which one do you want to do? Or the holly? The guy? Okay. Where?
Can
I paint them?
Not to get some food.
Oh, careful.
Da.
Not me. No. On the guy.
You're watching now. You get to clean this whole table.
I know there's a lot of bags, so you get to clean it all.
And you get to post something off of your printer file.
Cleaning is as
On where?
as decorating.
At your house.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got one candy cane. Okay. More?
That sound effects.
Thank you.
You have bracelet. I'm gonna do ding 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 ding.
What are you doing?
One.
Do you need help?
Wait.
Ooh, that's a lot of white.
Lindsay, for your hand.
Let's do this one.
Here, do you want? Yeah. Okay.
This one is done.
Hey Charlotte.
Okay.
Charlotte.
I kind of cleaned that up.
Baby girl.
You're cleaning your table.
Hi,
There's so much cleaning. I don't know.
You're cleaning your face too.
I'm gonna be up all night cleaning.
Okay, so Ben guessed something, so I'm letting him open one of my presents that I'm giving him early, because this is something that we both collect. What is it?
I want
You want more, you little stink butt? Can you show everybody what it is? Hey, why aren't you in bed, you little stinker? You were supposed to be in bed 2 hours ago. Yes, you were supposed to be in bed 2 hours ago. What else do you have to say? No. No. Okay, you guys, so it is like 10 o'clock at night. I'm just now starting to prepare for couponing tomorrow. It's going to be kind of just a bad week. I don't even want to go couponing, but it's like I need to. But Charlotte is up still. We got home from Graham's parents kind of late, and she slept in the car, and now she won't go to sleep. So there's that. I got to pick up the house a little bit because it's just a disaster all over again. But my parents are coming down for Christmas Eve, so I want to get everything picked up. So I'm just going to have a small day couponing. We'll see what I'm going to do, but Paris won't leave me alone. Yeah. And this Charlotte is staring at me with a big grin on her face. Yeah, so I'm tired. I'm probably just going to work on my couponing stuff tomorrow and just finish it later. But hope you guys have a good day. I wanted to post a video, but yeah, we did Ben Day cookie decoration today, and then we opened Christmas presents with Graham's family. So tomorrow is this couponing day, and then Monday and Tuesday is just a relaxing day. But other than that, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.